Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through and here's a step-by-step guide on how to delete debit card from MoneyGram. So here's a simple workaround now. You can easily do that. So open the MoneyGram app or the website. So to do this, log into your MoneyGram online profile or launch the MoneyGram money transfer app on your mobile device. So after that, you have to access your profile or account settings. So if you're on the app, tap your profile icon, then tap edit profile. Then if you're on the web, go to view profile info, which is your profile information. Then after that, you have to manage payment method. So scroll down, scroll to or tap payment method or my card and banks. Then locate the debit card you want to remove. Then tap on the card, then select the delete or remove button. Then confirm your choice when prompted. The card will be unlinked from your MoneyGram account. Then after that, you have to verify the removal. So ensure that the card is no longer appear under your payment method, and that's how you can easily delete or remove card from MoneyGram. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.